If you don't want scammers getting access to your phone number on your Android phone, and well, basically, you want to be able to avoid that at all costs. So here's a setting that you can go into your Android 14 phone and disable. It's called phone number sharing. I'll show you how to get there and disable it. When you're ready to do this, use the quick access on your Android phone and tap on the settings icon right here. Once in this section here, of course, assuming that you are signed into the Google account, you'll want to go down to the part that says the Google or Google services. Some phones may have it labeled as Google services. So you'll go right into this section here where it says Google. So go ahead and tap on that one time. And once you're in this section here, you'll most likely see your email address up here, which I have went up a little bit just so you won't see my email address. Now, while in this section, you're going to see recommended and all services. I want you to either go to all services or where it has the autofill section. So go to all services first, then go to where it says autofill if you see it here. So once you see it here, go into it. And this is where you're going to see phone number sharing. As you tap here now, you'll see this option. And basically, it allows Google to show you a screen that lets you choose a phone number to share when a third-party app requests your phone number. And in some cases, you might probably be like, well, in the past, I've been on an app and I didn't allow it to share my number, but somehow it's there. So I would recommend turning this off just to be on the safe side. Like and sub.